Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove the GoDaddy Coming Soon page from your website. Sometimes when you create a new website using GoDaddy, it automatically shows a Coming Soon page instead of your actual site. This usually happens when your website is still in maintenance mode or not published yet. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow to turn that off and make your website visible to everyone. Just follow along with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to remove the Coming Soon page and have your website live and accessible. What we first want to do is search up GoDaddy. Then click the first link that appears, then a new screen appears where we will go to our Account button and click it. Then a list of options appear where we will click My Products. After that, it takes us to a new screen where we scroll down and click the Edit Website button, which takes us again to a new screen where we check if there is a Coming Soon sign to our website. For that to happen, we will drag our URL and drop it at our tab, but we can also copy and paste it. As you can see, there is a Coming Soon sign still. To remove this, we will go to the page we came from and click the big button that says Publish. It might take a moment. After that, it says, Your site is published. To check that, we will visit our website. As you can see, the sign has disappeared. To sum up, we simply logged into GoDaddy, went to our products, opened the website editor, and clicked Publish so the Coming Soon page disappears and our website becomes live. And that's it for this tutorial. As you can see, removing the Coming Soon page in GoDaddy is actually very simple and only takes a few steps. Once you publish your website, visitors will be able to see your real website instead of the Coming Soon screen. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the process and made things easier for you if you were stuck seeing that Coming Soon page. If you follow these steps, you should be able to get your website live without any problems. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.